waiting around and sitting around for justice to come about, but instead we're going to get it ourselves. And I think that is the beauty of, this movement, but also it hurts, right? I think within the same week that we had to grieve and be there for each other and build our community was the same week that we had to be in the streets fighting for justice. Black people are tired, right? We're hurt, we're angry, and it's exhausting. You can see the bags under my eyes. This work is long, it's tiring, and it's not glamorous. And to fight for basic human rights is something that is frustrating, right?
I feel disbelief. I became a nurse to save as many lives as possible, and I would like to believe that someone who chose to be a law officer, a police officer, would have the same feeling. And I feel so frustrated. Like, I'm not out here working every day to save as many lives as possible so that police officers can choose to take those lives.